Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Aquarius. Pasensya na sa background ha, meron lang nagmomow ng garden. With the air elements, Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng monthly reading, okay, for the whole month of April. Yan ha, general reading po ito. So, let's see the energy surrounding you, okay? For the whole month of April. So, hindi ko pa nasya-shuffle ang card na ito. Nakita ko lang. Yan o. Kita nyo on the bottom card is the devil. And the other card is you. Diba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, the chariot. So, maaring ito yung tinatawag po, meron kayong nakapalibot sa inyo, mga jealous people. Diba? Yan. Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, they cannot, it's like you shine so bright because this is you. Yan ha, maybe it's about your career or your family life or your love romance relationship. Ano, okay? Kumbaga dito, naiirita sila sa inyong liwanag. Okay, yan. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga taong low vibration, with low vibration. Okay, yan. So, hayaan nyo sila because you are protected, okay, by the Heavenly Father, okay? Ignore nyo na lang sila, di ba? It's like tinatawag, ground yourself, yan ha, para hindi kayo maapektuhan. Mari dito ginagawa kayo ng istorya, di ba, ng rumors, di ba, they are talking behind your back, di ba? So, let's see your other, narito ang tinatawag na the two of swords, di ba? So for some of you here, it's more about a success, dalawa, okay? Dalawa lang nakikita ko. Either it has something to do about your career, it has something to do about your relationship, let's say love romance, di ba? So for some of you, someone from the past, okay? Yan. Is tinatawag na they want to reach out, okay? It's more about a person from the past. They want to reach out, okay? Yan. And it's like meron pa silang pag-ibig, pagtingin, okay? Namumuong pag-ibig pa rin. It's like tinatawag na, do you still love? It's like, do you still love me? Yan. This person is questioning, okay? So, meron ditong, it's like tinatawag na, maybe it's you. Pwede rin, tinatawag na, there is a history happened in the past. Kung ano man ito, maaring sabihin na natin ito'y mag-asawa, maaring sabihin na natin ito'y ikaw at ang iyong magulang, ikaw at iyong kapatid, di ba? So, there is a history happened na iwan, left behind, okay? So, maaring ito yung tinatawag na reminiscing the past, okay? So, kasi narito yung tinatawag the bottom card of the other tarot decks. Pinakikita dito how successful itong taong ito. Okay? So, narito yung tinatawag, kasi nakatigil yung dalawang phoenix, di ba? So, maybe a trouble, tinatawag trouble plan, di ba? Maaring ito'y may kinalaman sa success, di ba? They want to celebrate their success, okay? O maaring tinatawag merong accomplishment. Okay, yan. Maaring sabihin na natin maybe you're an athlete, di ba? Maaring dadayo kayo, di ba? That's why there is a tinatawag na the chariot, di ba? Yan. So maybe ito yung may kinalaman sa maybe you're a celebrities, di ba? Siguro kaya maraming nagje-jealous sa inyo, okay? So it's more about achievement. You're an achiever, di ba? Maaring sabihin natin may kinalaman ito sa kaso, di ba? Sa court. So maaring sabihin na natin mananalo kayo sa court, di ba? Maybe itong trouble nito, it has something to do about your work, di ba? You will go there, maybe as an engineer, you will go to Saudi Arabia, to Europe, to America. It has something to do about your work, di ba? About your profession. So, kaya ito, two of swords, di ba? At saka ito. Ito yung tinatawag, maaring a single man, a single woman, they're living alone, di ba? It's more about their success, nakikita ko. So, naka-reverse ito, tinatawag na the world, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, there is a relationship nagkaroon ng failure. Maybe a marriage, di ba? A love romance, maaring sabihin na natin between the parents and children, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, maaring itong taong ito hindi pinalaki ng kanyang magulang, maaring product siya ng tinatawag na family breakup, 'di ba? Yan, nasira ang family. Maybe itong taong ito is tinatawag na may mga failure, 'di ba? Mga tinatawag maybe sabihin na natin hindi siya nakatapos mag-aral or maaring napatagal ang kanyang pag-aaral, 'di ba? Maaring sabihin na natin matagal siyang maaring maraming courses siyang tinatawag na pinag-aralan, 'di ba? So hindi na natapos-tapos sa kanyang pag-aaral. Maaring hanggang ngayon nag-aaral pa rin siya, okay? So maaari ito tinatawag breaking contract, 'di ba? Baka magbe-break contract or tinatawag na divorce. Maybe it has something to do about divorce, annulment, di ba? Maybe it has something to do, tinatawag na parental, di ba? Okay. Parental custody, children. Meron din, pwede rin ito yung tinatawag na impotent. Maaring either the woman or a man is infertile, hindi magkaanak. Okay? So, let's see. So, naririto ang tinatawag. Ito tinatawag na the Knight. Okay? The Knight of Swords. So, it has something to do about meron ditong mga city dwellers. Siguro sa city sila nakatira. There is a news coming. Okay? Yan. So, you need to ground yourself. Diba? Maybe, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, it has something to do about the relationship. Yan, ha? Okay? Ground yourself. Diba? Yan. So, kaya narito ito, 'di ba? Yan. So maybe meron ditong tinatawag magre-reach out, 'di ba, from the past, 'di ba? Either sabihin na natin kung sino ito nakarelasyon nyo from the past, maybe your father, your mother, your siblings, your relatives, love romance, maybe mga naging asawa ninyo, naka-affair ninyo from the past, 'di ba? Okay, yan. Okay. So, meron dito, yan talagang may magre-reach out from the past, ha, yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na hindi sila naging happy. It's like tinatawag the result now, okay? Hindi sila maligaya, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sila maligaya sa kanilang naging relationship siguro ngayon. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, she feels or he feels very, very alone, diba? Yan. Maaring sabihin na nating meron siya, it's like tinatawag lahat nasa kanya pero meron kulang sa buhay niya. Maaring ikaw ang kulang sa buhay niya. Okay? So naririto ang tinatawag na the Seven of Swords, di ba? So the Seven of Swords has something to do about people. Meron dito, it's like tinatawag discrimination, di ba? Yan, discriminating. Yan, dinidiscriminate siya. Okay? So be grounded. You have to ground yourself. Maybe this person dinidiscriminate siya. Okay? Pwede ito family or father and a mother or tinatawag love romance. Ano, di ba? Kasi narito, tinatawag discrimination. Okay? So, meron dito tinatawag refusal. Yan ha, kasi naka-reverse ang tinatawag na the universe. Okay? So, there's something to do about a refusal. Nire-refuse, okay? Kung ano itong nire-refuse niya, okay? Maybe ito, kung ano man itong darating sa kanya, there is a refusal. Maybe a letter, a news, diba? A message. Ibig sabihin ito, refusal. Okay, magkakaroon ng refusal. Maybe yung refusal coming from you or it's more or coming from them. Okay? Thank you very much.